NFPA 58 addresses the distance requirements. Specifically, Section 3.3.2.25 states that appliances shall be located a minimum of 10 feet, which is 3,048 millimeters from the nearest point of the valve or relief vent of any stationary LP gas container. NFPA 31 also covers this topic. Section 11.2.2.4 states that appliances and chimneys shall be located at least 10 feet, which is 3 meters from the nearest point of the valve or relief vent of any stationary LP gas container. Furthermore, the International Residential Code (IRC) addresses this. Section 3.1 states that appliances and chimneys shall be located at least 10 feet, which is 3 meters from the nearest point of the valve or relief vent of any stationary LP gas container. It's important to note that these distances specifically apply to stationary LP gas containers. Different distances might be applicable for portable LP gas containers, so always consult the specific regulations for the type of container you are dealing with. Remember that local building codes may impose additional or more stringent requirements than these national standards. Therefore, it is essential to check with your local authority having jurisdiction, the OJ, to confirm the specific requirements in your area. The AHJ has the final say on the minimum distance required. Always exceeding the minimum requirements is advisable when possible. Doing so enhances safety and helps to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. When dealing with LP gas systems, understanding and adhering to the relevant codes and standards is paramount for safety and regulatory compliance. Therefore, always consult the most current versions of NFPA 58, NFPA 31, the International Residential Code, and any applicable local codes. And always seek guidance from your local AHJ to ensure full compliance with all requirements. Different types of LP gas systems will also be subject to specific codes. For example, systems installed in recreational vehicles, RVs, or on boats have their own set of regulations and standards that should be consulted. These standards address issues such as container mounting, piping, ventilation, and appliance installation to ensure the safety of the occupants. When working with any fuel gas system, proper ventilation is crucial to prevent the accumulation of gas vapors that could create a hazardous environment. LP gas is heavier than air, so it tends to accumulate in low-lying areas. Therefore, ventilation openings should be located near the floor to allow any leaked gas to dissipate. Also, gas detection systems can be installed to provide an early warning of gas leaks, allowing occupants to evacuate the area before a dangerous concentration of gas accumulates. Proper maintenance of LP gas systems is also essential. Regular inspections should be performed to check for leaks, corrosion, or other damage to the system components. The pressure regulator should be inspected to ensure it is functioning properly and maintaining the correct gas pressure. The burner assembly of appliances should be cleaned and adjusted to ensure proper combustion. And all connections should be checked for tightness to prevent gas leaks. If any problems are detected during an inspection, they should be repaired promptly by a qualified technician. When installing or repairing LP gas systems, only qualified and licensed professionals should be employed. These professionals have the training, experience, and equipment necessary to perform the work safely and correctly. They will also be familiar with the applicable codes and standards, ensuring that the installation or repair meets all regulatory requirements. It is also important to be aware of the potential hazards associated with LP gas. LP gas is flammable, and leaks can create a fire or explosion hazard. LP gas is also an asphyxiant, meaning that it can displace oxygen in the air and cause suffocation. And LP gas can cause frostbite if it comes into contact with skin. Therefore, it is important to handle LP gas with care and to follow all safety precautions. In the event of a gas leak, immediately evacuate the area and call the fire department or other emergency responders. Do not attempt to repair the leak yourself, and do not use any electrical devices that could create a spark. Wait for qualified professionals to arrive and assess the situation. LP gas systems are used in a wide variety of applications, including residential heating, cooking, and water heating. They are also used in commercial and industrial settings for processes such as heating, drying, and powering equipment. Regardless of the application, it is important to ensure that the LP gas system is installed, maintained, and operated safely and in compliance with all applicable codes and standards. Therefore, always consult with qualified professionals and your local authority having jurisdiction to ensure the safety and compliance of your LP gas system. It is good to exceed the minimum distance required to ensure safety.